Welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit, and today we're going to make a delicious chicken and prawn Caesar salad. A little bit more consistent than the classic Caesar salad. And of course, all the magic is in the Caesar salad dressing. I'm Wes, let's get started. The hard-boiled eggs, the garlic, grated parmesan, anchovy fillets, half a pressed lemon, xeris vinegar or balsamic vinegar, and we're going to blend this in a little bit before we add the rest. We're going to add the egg yolk, blend it in a little bit. And now we're going to add our walnut oil slowly, just like you're making a mayonnaise. Clean the sides of your blender. I'm going to let it blend for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes we're going to add our liquid cream. Our Tabasco, and very important, the Worcester sauce. And we're going to blend this in for another 1 or 2 minutes. You don't want to blend it too much because the cream is going to become too thick. We're going to have a little taste of this. Delicious. And here you go. Put some butter in your casserole. A little bit of olive oil, 2 crushed garlics, a few sprigs of dried sage. Let your butter melt on a low temperature, and we're going to keep it around 80-85 degrees Celsius. Once melted at 80 degrees, kill the heat and let it infuse for a little while. So I got some bread left for a few days old. This is perfect to make my croutons with. We're going to cut them in 3 parts. And we're going to give our croutons a nice coating with the butter and the olive oil. Both sides. Heat up the oven up to 200 degrees, and we're going to roast our croutons until they become light brown. Cold water, a little bit of white vinegar, and we're going to clean our Romano salad. Now you can choose how to slice your chicken. I prefer to slice it in nice strips. That's quite nice for plating. You know, this kind of strips. Of course, sea salt, a good peppermill, and a little bit of herb de Provence, some butter in our frying pan, medium heat. These are mineral B frying pans. The more you use them, the browner they get, the browner the better. And we're going to serve our chicken. What we're looking for is a light brown color, and most important, not overdo it because the chicken becomes too dry. Then we kill the heat and we let our chicken cool down as well. Your chicken is best served at room temperature. The prawns or shrimps, just take up the head and peel them and keep the tail, and once you peel them, rinse them in cold water. A spoon of Caesar salad dressing, toss it around. And here you go. And believe me, you're going to enjoy this one. Bon appetit, and see you back soon.